MPC Sample allows you to run MIDI and audio via USB-C, allowing you to connect and trigger smart device iOS apps like Mini Moog as an external synth, which you can play from the pads. You can then sequence and resample these back into MPC Sample. Now to set this up, hold down Shift and hit Input Config. Here we need to change our source to USB. This will allow audio to pass through our USB-C port. We then need to go to Shift and Pad 8 to our MIDI config. Here we need to change our port from external to USB. This will allow MIDI to pass through our USB port. Then we need to go down to our Pad Out and we need to set this to empty. And what this will do, this will send MIDI from the pads that don't have samples assigned. So this means we're only going to use empty pads to trigger our Mini Moog. So here I'm triggering samples. And here I'm triggering the synth. So now that we configured MPC Sample, let's go back to our sample mode, making sure we're on Pad Bank B, which triggers our MIDI. And on our sequencer, we've set this up for 4 bars and we're on 94 BPM. So we're ready to record. Hit sample and then record. Now we're triggering our MIDI across our beat. Now that we've recorded our bass line, we can resample this back to the MPC so we can free up the sound for something else. So hit sample record, make sure that the sample length is on sequence, and then hit the pad, and now we're going to wait for the signal. Now we're recording our bass line straight to an empty pad. So now there's my bass line on pad 13. So now we can record this as MIDI over our sequence. Hit record and strike the pad. And you can keep repeating this process to keep using more sounds on your external iOS synth. Thanks for watching. See you next time.